going on, good people? I'm John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Just want to thank you for stopping by for this sweet and spicy chicken video. It's going to be a quick cook, an easy cook, but a very good cook for a midweek meal. So let's get together, let's get in it. Good people, here we are at the griddle. We're about to start out. We'll get some butter down and get it melted before we get the chicken on. All right, so we have the griddle all buttered up. Now that we have that, we're gonna go ahead and get our buns down and get a good toast on them for the chicken sandwiches. All right, looks like we're getting a nice little toast on these, so we'll go ahead and pull these off and then we'll get the chicken going. All right, guys, here is our diced up chicken. It's about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. We're gonna go down with it now. Hey, just want to take a minute to tell you to like this video, share this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel at Salt, Pepper, and Fire on YouTube. You can also follow me on Instagram at salt_pepper_fire_. Let's get back to the video. All right, guys, for our first layer of seasoning, we are going to hit it with the Uncle Steve's sweet and spicier. All right, so we're gonna go down with our onion now, and then our red bell pepper. Season those up with some salt and pepper. All right, people, so our chicken is about done and our onions are getting translucent. So we're gonna go ahead and get these mixed together. And then we are going to add a couple tablespoons of minced garlic. All right, guys, for the sweet, we're gonna hit it with some Nate's Raw Organic Honey. And of course, we're gonna hit it with the Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. All right, so we're gonna give this a few minutes to caramelize, and then we will add our last ingredient. All right, and for our last step, we're gonna stack this thing up with some pepper jack cheese. All right, let's see what we got. Would you take a look at that? Oh my goodness. All right, I will bring you back as I build this sandwich. All right, guys, so that chicken sandwich was banging. You seen it. It was good. I can't wait to enjoy this with my family. But anyway, I want to thank you guys again for stopping by Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Check out some of my other videos in the library. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And until next time, we'll see you guys.